Keep it on the down low. I'm too quiet actually. 1 second. Okay. We're doing things. One moment. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Quiet. Fucking I'm all the plan is falling through, computer. I'm afraid the plan is falling apart. Oh no. Oh dear. Okay. I have the right things on. Okay. Can you hear me? Is the music too loud? I've noticed in the VODs that during these little sections where I say hello, the music is always way too loud. And my voice is too much, you see. Welcome in, Mod Colonq. Welcome in, Eats a Duck I Must. Welcome in, Natez Silly, welcome in, or Nate's Silly, maybe, question mark. Welcome in Dig the Cat, how you doing? How you doing? Welcome in Not Geyser. Welcome in Exodrifter _ let's fucking go. Welcome in Geyser, the chat was broken because I fucked something up and now it's back. Welcome in Mustbroke, welcome in Nessa, welcome in You Demoniac. Welcome in Plutonium, welcome in Basilia. And that's all. That's all. Welcome in me. Welcome in LLLQ. Welcome in Colonq. Let's press buttons. Where are we? Yeah, thank you for the compliments on the intro screen. I should credit who this is for. I'll put it in the thing. I tweeted it. It's I think K_SZK on Twitter. They are good. It was a skeb. It was one of those skebs. Anyway, where are we? Where were we? Yeah, we're going here. This is where we're going. Let's do some button pressing today. What's the song? The song is the Pink Panther theme, Cassie Nessa. It's the Pink Panther theme. Stealing. Welcome Steeled Shield as well, and Nick's Crage. Yes, we're doing a little bit of theft today. We'll explain. Well, I mean, it's the heist of the century, so I don't know. We'll be stealing. What do people steal? Right? It's kind of classy to like steal certain things. It's always funny, right? Like it's like some things. It's like if you steal like, I don't know, what if you steal like candy bars and like purses, that's kind of like low class maybe. But if you steal like art, then suddenly you're like kind of cool and fancy. Kushal PSV, welcome in. I thought you only stream on weekends. Yes, recently I've been starting to stream on Tuesdays as well. We've been boosting it up a little bit. We stream formerly always on Fridays, I guess. Not formerly, but like currently we stream on Fridays, but also on Tuesdays. Tuesdays are a random time though. It's the stream gotcha on Tuesdays. I steal smiles, yes. Must _broke_ is stealing hearts out here. It's a Hinabo oh yeah moment. Yeah. Are you gonna right click plus save as? Maybe we could do an NFT heist. I've had an idea. I've kind of wanted to do that. Maybe we'll have to incorporate that for a future heist. Welcome Robotech too. Let's crack this open. So what's on the menu today? Well, Colonq, I come to you with time for me to go to sleep. Good night. Well, good night. Sweet dreams, Kushal PSV. Hope you get a good rest. We need rubber glove hats like the penguin from Wallace and Gromit. Yes, agreed. And welcome Mahjong Pilled. I think personally that we need to be stealing a little bit of content, because what don't we have over here at the LLLQ stream? You know, we have lots of beautiful party people. We have lots of beautiful people breaking it down all night on the dance floor. But what we don't really have is content. We're kind of lacking in the content domain. We're missing a little bit of content around here. You know, we have the packed discotheque filled with beautiful dancing people, but we don't have that good content that keeps them, that good content that the people love. So today we're gonna be stealing a little bit of content. You know, this has kind of been the meta on Twitch for a while. You know, Twitch, you know, any Twitch fans on Twitch, we love theft. We're getting into a little bit of drama here. We love to steal. You know, I love to steal personally. Welcome in Free of Me. How are you doing, Free of Me? Can we shout out Free of Me? Free of Me is cool. Free of Me is a cool cucumber. Yeah, check out Free of Me. Free of Me is my friend. Free of Me, a good friend, good taste, play good game, play good Dungeons and Dragons. Yes, good. Well, continuing on. So we're here to steal content. And I've introduced, I think, a novel method for, we're about to become React Andrews on this stream. But I think I've introduced a novel method for potentially stealing a little bit of content. So let me introduce you, Colonq. We'll get right into it today. Well, I don't want to waste any time today. You know, this is Tuesday, so we gotta be efficient here with our time usage. So let's see here. Colonq. Where are we going? If I go over to main.rs here, some people might have seen this tweet. I can just uncomment this little line here that's not currently being run, and let's see what we get. Let me restart my model. Let's relaunch the old model. We gotta wait. Welcome in Pablo Pepe 69. I steal memes from other people. Yeah, you're not a thief. That's called publishing. It's called being a distributor. It's called being an advertiser. Pablo Pepe 69. There's no theft. There's only theft if you want it to be. That's kind of the rule. And thank you so much for the boosts, everybody, as well. I do appreciate it. Thank you also, Snorlax Bud, for the Forsen. I'm sorry, we're temporarily out of Forsen mode because we're showing off a new little feature here. So here this is in big mode. You can see. Does this even show up? Here it shows up. That's so loud. Look at this wonderful new little feature we've developed here. It's truly iconic, I think. And this is the only line we had to add for this. So that's what we have now. We have the ability. Welcome in watchmakering. We have the ability. Friends. I need to increase the volume. Let's increase the volume a little bit again. I'll comment that back out so we don't have to listen to that for the next several hours because it just plays automatically and we can't control the volume. It's just, well, we haven't quite sorted out all the kinks yet. Welcome in Alto VT as well. Yeah, I'm thinking we're going beast mode. Yeah, I'm thinking today it's for the beasts. Today, I think we're going beast. Should shout out Exodrifter too. Exodrifter's making some cool video games. And the latest video game has my I'm featured in a prominent voice acting role, which is very fun. But Exodrifter does really cool stuff on stream too. Let's some future tech groundbreak Brent. So we'll explain a little bit what we're doing here. Let's also fix something really quickly. I made the model thing show up. I had this commented out. My GPU, Clonkheads, is so fucked up. It's so bad. Like random parts of the geometry start like flickering out half the time when I navigate to this full screen desktop window, and it's just totally broken. It doesn't show on stream at all. It's because I'm using like NVIDIA, you know, it's the prime nonsense, right? So let's relaunch this too so it actually just shows up in the window. Yeah, so the tech that we built, it's been on our docket for a little while, and it's the ability to display video. So a few streams back, I can't remember when it was. I think it was the I don't know, it was a while ago, a few weeks ago. It was the we added the ability to do the hairstyle thing, right? The ability to have animated GIFs. And I guess normal images at all. Like we added all that functionality for having loading images and having them display as backgrounds in the model, right? Like having that influence the colors of the characters, right? We can also do that with video now, and there are a few kinks to work out, right? You might notice that the usual outlining on my model here is not actually present because it thinks that you can see there's actually like black text in the background here where there would normally just be nothing because, well, yeah. Anyway, there's some issues to work out, but we're going to work them out today, I think. And that's going to be our heist. We're going to do some preparation first. Let's go to our docket, right? We should do greetings as well. Assembly. Let's do assembly. These are all kind of cool heist movie words, maybe. We're putting together a team. We're putting together a team. An elite team, perhaps. We've done that. I think we mostly have an elite team here, right? The Clonkheads are, of course, one of the most elite teams on Twitch.tv. One of I don't know, one among very few equals. Gotta hack into the mainframe and such. Yes, exactly, Steel Shield. We're gonna have to I don't know, we're gonna have to be light on our feet here. So then planning, and then we're gonna prepare ourselves, you know, all these are all bullshit as usual. I don't really, whatever. But that's the goal today. We're going to optimize this to steal content, because what you might not know, Clonkheads, is that this is just MPV, right? And you notice we gave a YouTube link here. If we go back to main.rs, where am I fucking going? Here. This is just a YouTube link. Are we technically your accomplices? Oh no, you're fully fledged members of the team. You'll be taking the fall, Clonkheads. When this goes to court, when we inevitably are caught, right? You're gonna be, who's gonna be the fall guys? Who is fall guys here? The eye is mine. You've conquered the eye, yes. I watched a British heist movie last night, The King of Thieves. They used old actors who did thief movies a bit in their younger years, and I wanted to see all that was referenced. Oh, very cool. This isn't Lisp. Well, just you wait, Nix Crage. We have a little bit of rust at the moment. We have a little bit of rusting at the moment. So, the thing that makes this a content heist The thing that makes this a heist, Clonkheads. The thing that creates the heist nature of this stream is the fact that we can give a live stream here as well, right? We can play a live stream in the place of this YouTube link. So let's investigate that a little bit. I've been zigging and I don't think I will ever rust. Yes, I need to go get back to Zig a little bit. I investigated Zig a little bit, like maybe a year and a half ago, and I was like, this is not ready for me to use yet. And then I say a year and a half ago, and it was actually probably like 3 years ago. How the time flies. Welcome to V Architect and Colonq, by the by. We're so whose content do we steal? Does anyone have ideas for whose content we steal to like demonstrate this? I mean, this is our technology, right? This is like the space age technology that's allowing us to crack the secret vault. Eduardo RFS is Eduardo live right now? Is he doing some OCaml type systems stuff? Is Eduardo RFS around? Well, we gotta steal someone who's live. We gotta get a live content gamer. Eduardo is live. We can do Eduardo RFS. Let's content yoink Eduardo RFS. Eduardo RFS, I've never actually spoken with Eduardo RFS, but I do respect him a lot. So if, I hope you this is in good. Well, anyway, you understand. Welcome in Baxter Crook as well. Stealing your own content. Wait, I wonder if I can. That's actually a great idea. Let's do a contentception here. Let's do contentception. Let's do that. That's wonderful. Okay, let's do this. Does this work? We must go deeper. Yes, we're going to descend. This is going to be so fucked up. Well, I bet it won't be. I mean, it's not going to be very visible, but like, let's see here, Clonkheads. Let's see. Trying to make crypto useful. I mean, good luck. I don't know. Crypto is useful for maybe some things. I'm not so cynical yet. Yeah, I guess I'm pessimistic about the last. I don't know. I think the problem is most of my exposure to crypto stuff was in like back in times when it would have made me rich. So unfortunately, yeah. Okay, so this is just the showing that like it needs to load for 10 seconds because it would normally show a pre-roll ad here. Cryptography is plenty useful. Yes, I agree. Let's cryptography. Okay, here it is. It's going to play my own voice behind me. Can I even see? This just shows like the middle of the screen, so you can kind of see the side of my model and also the chat in the corner there. This just shows like the middle of the screen. This is so fucked. Of my model and also the chat in the corner there. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, can we harmonize? Can we harmonize? Oh my gosh. Okay, can we harmonize? Can we harmonize? Okay, that kind of works. Cool. Welcome in FreeDrull_ as well. Okay, that kind of works. We're phase canceling right now. Anyway, let's turn this off. God damn. Yes. We should probably make a way to change this that isn't just recompile and rerun though. But we'll be well, we'll get there. We'll get there eventually. I appreciate the compliments on the layout. Also, FreeDrull_. It's well, it's Emacs. That's what it is mostly. So many handsome dudes. Well. Who knows? Who knows anything about that? Who knows anything about that? Peepo blush or whatever. Is there a Peepo blush? Well, anyway. Kind of no, because well, yeah, you have to use Monero or something if you're buying drugs. Tay Zondang. Can you steal the content of more than... Well, we can, Exodrifter, I think. We can just instantiate multiple... So what we're doing for this is... We're using... Do people know MPV? I assume you do. We have Weebs. Welcome in Bad Cop, too. How are you doing, Bad Cop? It's Bad Cop. Bad Cop. Bad Cop, let's do the shout out. Bad Cop, we made it so we can... I found out how to use MPV. I found out how to use libMPV. So now I can play other streams, and I can make them part of the model. Welcome in I Am Panis as well. So we're going to be stealing content today. We're going to create the most... Not only will we react Andying, we'll be integrating other people's content into my own avatar. Can we steal from a Bad Cop VOD? Yes, in principle. And actually what I think I'll do is I'll just make this like, I'll just make it so you can, maybe with audio turned off so I don't just get randomly jump scared by like screaming noises. Welcome in visual_sanity as well. How are you doing? I've seen you. I know you. You're an individual that I know. Well, I hope you're doing well. Connect 4 VOD, yeah. Get that bash Connect 4 action going on. Welcome in Andy too. Thank you for the boost. So yeah, we're using libmpv from Rust, from Uwu. Yes, that's who I know you from. That is the individual. The most exciting reaction stream that will ever be on Twitch. Yeah, this is going to be the peak, the absolute peak of React content. So we're going to extend at least the hairstyle redeem, and we'll fix Force in here. It's kind of broken again because of the, like, you can notice on the green background, like there's black text here. It's because I'm rendering the empty MPV context behind the thing, so which is not the same as like my normal background color. So like it's, yeah. I actually know you from Uwu too, so this is a full cycle. Excellent, perfect. Can you theoretically content Ouroboros with someone else running a similar pipeline? Well, I guess that's sort of a, I mean, that's just a slightly more interesting case compared to what I just did, where I was like feeding it back into myself. Like, I mean, fundamentally, it's not any different from just watching a stream. Like, I mean, the thing I'm doing is fundamentally the same as just me typing mpv https twitch.tv/ again, who's live, Eduardo RFS or something like this, right? Like it's like this. It just is this, except it's happening inside of the other program on rendering into a little OpenGL frame buffer of our choice. So we can put it places. We can put it places, Colonq. We can take the thing and we can put the thing into places. That's sort of one of the techniques that we're going to study today, I guess. Well, anyway, let's start doing this. So I think the first thing that we want to do is let's no fanciness, nothing super exciting. Let's just replace the model's hair with that. Let's just do that. Can we do that, Clonkheads? Can we make that happen? I think we can. I think we can make it occur. So let's do it. If I go to, where am I going to? We're going to, let's go back here. And I think what we're doing currently, so the current thing that we're doing is we're rendering the video to one frame buffer, this MPV FB thing here. We're rendering the avatar to another frame buffer that's like also this small thing, and we're also, I think, blitting the video frame buffer behind the avatar to that frame buffer. Yes, it will be a redeem, not geyser. The end goal is that you do a redeem or a command or something and just like drop a link and it does the thing. And I don't know if it will have audio or not, because again, you know, we gotta, but yeah, welcome in Simbera as well. It's good to see you here. So that's the plan. We will have, this is going to be the most fucked up media share redeem of all time. Which we will be physically integrated. The redeem will be physically integrated into my flesh. Really got to restrict the domain, yes, because MPV will gleefully play from any number of video sharing websites, I'm pretty sure. So we do have to be a little careful about that. Not have audio and only have some website lists. Yeah, I think that's probably wise. But again, you know, there's also like, I mean, it is low res, so, but like, yeah, audio definitely is like the greater risk, right? But I mean, what can you do? So right now, instead of just, so I think the thing we're gonna want to remove here is, instead of just blitting, yeah, DMCA and other concerns, right? Instead of just blitting this, right? So right now we're just copying the contents of like our video frame buffer like into the middle of this. Welcome in Water Dragon too. I'd love to talk shit, but this MF would wrestle my ass to Valhalla. Good morning, sir. Yeah, I would, you know, I'm noted pancreatist or something. I don't know. Noted man of combat, LLLL Colonq. I would be. How are you doing, Water Dragon? How's you are Spike. You're Spike. That's who you are. I was trying to recall like who is this person, and the person it's Spike. So how's it going, Spike? How's life? I see you as the bot in Spike's channel, right? That's who I mean, you're not. Wait, you're not. You're from Spike. Are you a person in Spike's channel? I thought you were a bot, Water Dragon. Am I? Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Have I really put my well, anyway, Spike is on an alt amount. Well, who knows? You are a bot. Okay, now fine. Imagine using it all. Do we need a spike counter as well? A spike protein counter or something? Okay, that's I mean, that is Spike PL's lore, right? Aren't they a spike protein or something? Well, anyway. So instead of just blitting this thing onto the buffer that we draw the small Colonq on, we should instead use this thing to get pixels, right? I'm already using this kind of like frame buffer wrapper thing that should have this method, I think, to populate the pixels. There's like an array in there somewhere that gets filled. I think we've spotted like 5 geyser accounts here. We have the counter, right? We have the geyser counter that identifies them, Water Dragon, right? We can count the every instance of the not geyser. So, well, I don't know. So let's explore what our existing system for doing the hairstyles actually looks like, because I don't even remember. Where's my mouse? It's here. So what is this? Welcome in, CBT Captain. Another geyser alt. How are you doing? So we just have pixels width and height. I mean, there was some issue where this was like breaking if we had like too big, but it shouldn't be. I mean, the thing we're giving it is just going to be 64 by 64, I think. So it shouldn't be actually bad. It should not actually be bad. Oh wait, are we supposed to not use alts? Oh no, you can totally use alts. It's acceptable. I mean, alts are fine. I don't think it matters. I think alts are perfectly acceptable. If that's the question. I think I don't know how these things go. Cool, unless for ban evasion. Yeah, you probably don't want to be evading bans. Well, I don't know. If you get banned, right, don't you, like, I don't know. Is it I was about to be like, yeah, if I got banned, I would totally just evade the ban by making, you know, if I ever got banned from a website, I would just totally make a new account on a VPN. Like, I wouldn't, why stay banned? But that's probably not what you want to say. Can we use controls? Well, I mean, that's kind of a trickier question here. What constitutes a control? I mean, is that like a mod account? Maybe that's the equivalent. Like, you have your Twitch mod account if you're a Twitch employee or something. Why be banned when you can just not? Yeah, why follow the rules, right? Like, it's just, they're just rules. Okay. So this nonsense, well, how can we deal with this? How can we cope with this, Clonkheads? How can we cope? Oh, it beeps? It beeps? Something beeped? Oh, the counter. The counter beeps. Yeah. I prefer hypers. Yeah. Any hyper key enthusiasts? Any super? Well, I mean, most keyboards have super, right? That's just the thing. Control is an illusion. Yes. Right. I mean, who really thinks they can control anybody or anything? It's just you can just do whatever you want. So how are we? So the issue with this is, like, if we're just setting the pattern, then we're setting it every. Well, maybe that's just acceptable. Maybe we just update the palette every frame, and that's fine. I mean, that's probably the easiest thing to do, right? Just to, like, for the sake of it, I would assume. Just do this every frame and just assume that it's fine. Controls are the alts of other people that you hacked. I see. That's getting kind of involved then. It's getting a little bit involved. Controls are the alts for alts. Well, and our hypers the alts for alts. This is our alts. Like, alts just aren't like a linear. They're like a tree structure where your alts have alts. What are the shifts? Well, shifts are like, that's less than alt, right? Like, doesn't everyone, like, even though, like, there's no, like, kind of sensible way to do this, I feel like there's like a natural ordering for modifier keys, right? Like, everyone can sort of agree that shift is sort of like the weakest key, right? And then it goes alt and then control or something like that, and then maybe super and then hyper or hyper. I don't know what the typical conventions are for hyper key use, but it's sort of like this. Did you make the chat overlay? Yes, I did. Visual Sanity. It's all, well, we made it on stream. It's all I made the model rendering too. This is all in Emacs. If you're a programming person, if you're a programming fan, it's all Emacs stuff. I don't know. Maybe that's interesting. Maybe that's not interesting also, but we did make it. We did make it. And we're still making it. We're making it more today. We're making it more pretty much every day. I did actually make Twitch. Yeah. I know a few streamers who are just like, they don't really talk about it much, but they are just like Twitch employees, I think, which is kind of cool. Super impressive. I am a programmer. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Then you might care. Yeah. This is all written in Emacs Lisp mostly. The model renderer is in Rust, but like all of the chat shit is just, it's Emacs. We're in Emacs land. We're in Emacs territory. So yeah. I don't know if you're a Lisper or a functional programming enthusiast or any of those type things, but yeah. Is the shader also Rust? No. Was there a specific reason why you picked this language? Well, I wanted to do it in Emacs, and Emacs Lisp is the only really viable option in that environment. And I wanted to do it in Emacs because that seemed like a nice thing to do, I guess. It seemed like a nice way to stream. A bit flipper who work on bit flipper machines. Yes, so true. Okay. Let's where are we doing this? So we just have palette entries. We have a palette. There's a color mapping. Sure. So maybe just update this every frame. Let's just start by doing that every frame regardless of what other things are set, and then we can go from there. We probably still want this offset. So the way I'm doing this currently, right, is I wanted things to like, I couldn't decide like, so naturally the resolution of where like my model is rendered, this is a square, right? It's 64 pixels by 64 pixels. And like most like videos that you'll watch are not square resolution. That has not yet become the norm, right? We've had the vertical video wave with like TikTok or shorts, or we have not yet had the square video renaissance, I think. So like you can either squish the thing and like just not care about the aspect ratio, which just like kind of makes it look fucked up, or you're yeah, bring back 4:3. Yeah, so true, bestie. These we live forever in this 16:9 hellscape. So what I'm just doing is the thing I kind of want is like for it to fit vertically. So the default MPV behavior will be to just like squish the thing in so that the horizontal borders touch the borders of the video, and then just put black bars on the top. What I want at top and bottom, right? Naturally, what I wanted to do was just like fill the thing so that the vertical, like the top and bottom of the video touch the top and bottom of my thing, and just like cut off the sides. So you can see the middle and the sides just get cut off when the borders touch. Yeah. So that's I'm just rendering this to like a, instead of a 64 by 64, this is like a 112 by 114 by 64, or whatever the appropriate thing is. It can be a top if you want. Wow. Ooh. What's the Riz face? I need the one, like, we need more fucked up emojis. Are people in the fucked up emoji market? Like, there's all those like edited emojis that are like, you know, the ones, right? Like the Riz face, like the biting lip, yeah, backwards baseball hat, but it's like edited to look like an iPhone emoji or whatever. Like that's, we need those. Yeah, I love fucked up emotes. Yes, we need those now. Okay, if anyone has 7TV links, I will add anything, any 7TV link that anyone posts. I always add those. Unless they're like on like the word I or something. Zam emote, yeah. Bring me triangular displays right now. I just like Cluemax.
There's
doesn't render in chat. Biting lip doesn't work. Doesn't work. It's I don't know why it wouldn't work. That seems scary. That seems like a scary type. That seems like a scary type thing. Okay, get pixel. I think we just need more Joel. Yeah, I mean, maybe true. Can we fucking do this? What? even is going on? I'm gonna send a link to me doing the Jacko pose. Yeah, I mean, if you want, if you really feel that way, if that's the way that you really feel. Oh, is this a Bud link? We got a Bud emote.
The first.
Let's get this. What is this? Is this shoe nice? Excellent. Okay. Channels: Snorlax, Bud, Tobe. It's very nice. Okay, now LLLL Colonq as well. And the second one is let's add these. Let's get them. I'm gonna shoot myself. Very good. And finally, Forsen. Okay, this is the Mari Forsen, right? This is Mari Yen Forsen. Yeah, we'll get that. Forsen is appropriate. Okay, we got more links here. We got some Nyx Crage. What do you got? What do you got for me? Gopium, we got some Gopium here. Excellent. Yeah. Imagine going. Insane Cat. Insane Cat's good. Do we have Cat playing Mahjong? I'm being told. Oh, I have a conflict. I already have Insane Cat apparently. Might be a different one though. We got Insane Cat. Heads up, this emote is not publicly listed. It cannot be added. This is Cluemax. Can I show emote? Oh, excellent. That's perfect. Okay, we got that one. Does that actually work? Excellent. Okay, perfect. We really got to add these to our the chat on here. That's I think what we need. That's personally, I think that's what we need. Okay. Does this fucker work? Welcome Connie and Joy. I thought we have a stream only Saturday. Yes, it's not updated. It's out of date. The historical schedule, Connie and Joyer, has been Fridays only, but now we're adding the Tuesday mix-up. It's the Tuesday Gorilla Crunch mix-up. Crazy. I was once crazy once. They put me in a rubber room full with rats. Rats make me go crazy. Yes, so true. We're not yet sure on the permanent time. We're not yet sure. Oh, it's Beach Mouse. We gotta get the any Beach Mouse fans. Rat, yeah. Okay. The what else we got? Why is 7TV so slow? Okay, added. We gotta fill up. They give you 1,000 of these fuckers, so we gotta make sure we have Spyco Crouch. Yeah, okay, sure. I'll buy it. Where are we getting pixels? Why am I passing in a background color here? Why am I doing all this shit? Welcome in Dia Diamandus too. How are you doing, Dia? I need some background ambience. What is this? 1 hour of silence, occasionally interrupted by Pikmin sounds. Very good. Very good. Very swag. Very cash dollars. We just have this thing just has a pixels array. We're populating this array pixels. Right? Hello, my name is Stefan. You'll be serving me with content. I'm difficult at first, but you'll get the hang of it. Excellent. I'm glad to hear that, Steffi Saw. Welcome in. How are you doing? We're doing theft tonight, Steffi Saw. Have you ever stolen anything? We're preparing to steal things. That's the idea, at least. We're gonna steal content. We're gonna steal content, and I guess we're going to fence it off to you. It sounds like at least. And also welcome in Crazy Kitty 357. Jets. I gotta resub to Jets because I'm feeling the mech action lately. We gotta get those Jets emotes back up here. Today we commit crimes. Yes. Today we're in a crime type gameplay. We're in a crime type gameplay loop. How the fuck do I just like do anything in Rust? How do you do anything in this language? How do I write a for loop? Can I just, this language fucking sucks. I hope you're sealing yourself to the consequences. Hey, have you played Monaco? I have played Monaco. I played Monaco a long time ago by Bipolar Corp. I think around when it released. A bunch of buds. That's a very fun game. I love it. The aesthetic. What is biblicality? Biblicality, I mean, there's a YouTube video explaining that visual sanity, but it's a measure. Rust sucks, use OCaml loud. So true. We have XDD. We have the whole family of XDDs, Water Dragon. We have We have the whole fucking XDD squad. We have XDX, we have XDDX, we have XDDing, we have DDX. You know, we have the whole brigade. The XDD appears. You're writing in Rust. You're doing the game. No, we're not. We're doing model updates, Steffi Sot. We made it so you can play videos in the model. You can play videos in other streams. I saw you on a Mint stream recently. Was surprised, Pog. Yeah, we raid into Mint relatively frequently. I think Mint is very cool. Mint is like so smart. Sub you. We'll watch the video later. Appreciate it, Visual Sanity. It's very appreciated. You're doing the game. I lost. The entire Shrek movie. The XDD family is very good. Yes, I agree. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not sure about Ocamel, Chief. I'm not sure if I'm on that Ocamel grind set. I don't know though. Okay, what are we even fucking doing here? Am I writing just like a fucking mutable? Like, there's probably a way to do this. I don't care. Alright, we're doing it the old-fashioned way. Oh fuck, he's here. Oh, it's that man. It's that funny man. I have to leave. I need to deploy a Cassandra cluster. Not kidding. Well, enjoy your day, Pablo Pepe 69. Ooh, today we're stealing. You know, I'm a renowned content thief, Uwu to Owo. Everyone knows this. Many are saying this. Many are discussing my ability to steal content efficiently and effectively. But today we're going to be doing some even more effective content theft. Observe, Uwu to Owo. Observe. Do we have any Uwu to Owo? What can we steal? Let's do that. Do you build now? Do you fucking build? MPV. Where are we? Okay. Does anyone have what do we steal here? Can I go somewhere and steal something? He steals my content all the time. Yeah. Fist of the North Star State. I know. You know, it's tough out there. It's tough out there. North Star State. Do you go by any short? Do you go by fisting? Do you go by fisting? Fist of the North Star. Can I call you fisting? Okay. I went to you instead of Uwu to Oo. I typed your name instead of. Are we stealing from Fisty? Twitch.tv/uwu to oh, you have underscores too. You have these inconvenient underscores. How it's over. It's over. So where's something we can steal effectively? This has music in it. Okay, this video. Is this video? Can I get a link to this? How do I get a link? Can you give me a link? Copy video URL at this time. Okay, pause that. We're gonna remove the time part, and maybe that will still work for us. We're gonna be content thieves. So we pop this link in here. We pop this link in here, and let's rebuild this guy. We rebuild this individual, and we'll observe the consequences of our actions. Let's see. Are you streaming tonight, Uwu to Oo? Do you have a stream today? I was sort of, or did you have one yesterday? I'm all fucked up because I reset my sleep schedule. So I was for a while I was falling asleep at 8 a.m. and waking up at 6 p.m., which was not great.
This is real.
This is real. So observe. Look at this. This is premium content theft right here.
There we go.
Look, witness.
I don't want to get good at drawing feet.
Cool.
I think we could tape the knife right here. How many kilobytes of RAM we bagging? This sucks, bro. Some slight errors. At
Yes,
least it'll have
it renders.
soul. The
It
balls
happens.
is sparing with-
Yes.
Ah! Oh no! Hang on.
Okay, yeah, we'll stop. We'll cease this. Okay, crime was officially accomplished. This works for anything. This works for live Twitch streams. We can watch live Twitch streams this way. If we Twitch.tv, we watched ourselves earlier. Who can we yoink? Do we have any friends live? Any friends who we can yoink from? We need something that like move. I mean, Hina's live. Hina has shit moving around. Nice to have hentai in the background. No, we're gonna pass on that. I mean, you know, We can do Yuki VT. That's good. Let's get Yuki VT in the background. This works for a live Twitch stream. This is the fully immersed reaction era. The illegals, yes, we're gonna be streaming all football games, for all NFL games for the rest of the year. Will be, I don't know if NFL, I don't know when the football season is. Who knows? But feet poggies, yeah, we're gonna be streaming them all in ASCII mode. The highest resolution font with the lowest resolution. Well, anyway, let's see. You know, stream time, because I just got back last night. Oh, were you traveling, Uwu? Sorry, I'm not up to date on all of the details. So here's where Twitch tells you that you have to watch this you have to wait. This is where browser users would be watching ads. This is telling you have to wait for 15 seconds before you watch the stream. Oh, feet on screen too. Excellent. And that's me in normal mode, and that's, oh, we're all fucked here. We're all fucked. Does it only work with Twitch links? No, it works for anything. Welcome Hyde704. It works, and welcome also in Barris Sizer as well. Thank you for the follows.
Thank you for the bits. Oh,
yeah, here's our friend Yuki VT behind me. I can't actually see what's going on. Does that say let nut? Yeah, let nut. So what we do is render the video frame and yourself on top. Yes, but we can do anything. It's just rendering to an arbitrary OpenGL texture. Yuki's very quiet. I have Yuki turned down. Well, anyway, let's yeah, the person in front is unreasonably tall. Yeah, I mean, whenever I post pictures of this, I'm just going to make my model still in it, so it's you know. Well, anyway, let's comment this out for now, because what we're going to do is we're going to the first feature we're building is, instead of just having this in the background, we're going to put it in the model's hair. That's the idea. Changing my nickname, but I will never forget. Just tell me. Just say one thing. How much did you bribe him for this command? Well, Geyser came in with all of these fucking alts, Uwu to OO. So we decided we need the Geyser counter. So we have a counter for every Geyser alt that has appeared in the stream. Increments the counter by 1. Yes. So well, I don't know. I think Bazelia said something about it, and then we were like, okay, we'll actually do the thing. That's my usual content theft mechanism. Bazelia says something, and I just like, oh yeah, I'll do that. I do that now. Don't encourage him. Well, it's too late for that. Dude, he has like 5 fucking alts, dude. They all, and like half of them have subs. I tried to get Yuki to say hi, but you turned it off and I missed. No worries. No need to bother the other strummers, but I appreciate the sentiment though. You missed me too. Hello, Patty Wax Knickknacks. I saw you earlier too. I'm really sorry that I feel like I fucked everything up now. It's all over. Is Emacs executing now? Rust is just in time translated Lispy content. You should probably make. So what we're going to do, Sammy Hacker, actually, is we're going to make it a Twitch command. We have a lot of other things. So the idea, Sammy Hacker, is so currently, well, let me relaunch this without. Let's relaunch in normal mode with no fucking bullshit. Because it does in of the cold food out eat the hot food. Yes. Okay. Let's rebuild this thing. Yeah. Go. Yes. Yo, welcome in Zest System 1, and welcome in Spike on your main too. Is it possible to steal 2 videos? Yes, it is. Well, I think we need multiple instances of. I don't know libmpv very well yet. And also, welcome in Jazzahall. How are you doing, Jazzahall? Big shout outs to Jazzahall VT. Another friend, and thank you so much for the sub, Diadimandus, too. Very much appreciated. So if we're friends, Sammy Hacker, if you're still here, you can do things like this. I can say like hairstyle, and then any animated Twitch emote, and it will put it like this: Jazzhole, my beloved. Yes, it goes of this nature. Yeah. So we're gonna make it so this works also with video. So just like you can say like something with like a Twitch emote, you can also say something with a like a YouTube link, for example. Yeah, that's the idea. We're going beast mode on this shit, and then Then we can react to XQC clips all day and just like, yeah, well, anyway. How are you doing, Jazzhole? I still haven't sent you that gang stalking DM, but I did follow you on Twitter and I saw you followed me back, so I think I can DM you now. So expect it at some point in the future. Like I'll DM you like they are watching or something. That's on our list, right? We have, for those missing context, we have the list of to-do tasks, and Jazzahol, gang stalking DM Jazzahol is, well, we need to do it. We'll get there eventually. What are we doing? Someone's twerking?
On your head.
Oh, on my head. That's the one animated Twitch global emote. You don't know, you're not a Dino Dance fan?
No.
Oh, the spike. We got Spoik. We got the Spoik situation. I love that Tobe Lane dance emote so much. It's so good. It's so good, bros. Okay, where the fuck are we doing this? This code is so bad. I need to like really, I cleaned it up a little bit, but I need to really clean it up a bit. Gopium, yeah. That's man, Go has been something. Welcome in Blue Whistle, by the way. You're Cheens. Welcome in Cheens. I know name. I know name do, yes. I'm aware of name. Shoutouts to this person. He does art and he draws my friend Purpur Lavendel, which is cool and epic. You have to use it twice. Do it again. If you have the Batsard Rage. No, just, yeah, there we go. Yeah, there it is. It saves it forever the first time. Stop using Rust. Sounds like mutt. Well, you know, we can't win them all. You can't win them all. It's pronounced mute, so like, I assume it's pronounced mute at least. If you say, you should really be saying mute. I don't know. I don't fucking know. Well, let's do this shit. Yeah, I know. I'm kind of an international man of mystery. How do I loop over a range in Rust? I don't know this language at all. Rust loop over range. Like I can just do like a fucking while loop, but I don't want to like. Oh, you can just do this. Excellent. 4x in. I can just do this, right? In 0 ... Is this inclusive? Is this inclusive? Is this included? Dino Dance looks like Dervish going around in circles. Welcome in Chaotic Quixotic, my friend. How are you doing? Yeah, Fish is using accurate code. That actually runs a GBA emulator and runs the Pokemon Emerald fishing system. You just do it again. Uwu. So my emote system's fucked. When you use an emote the first time, it caches it. And the second time it actually works. And then it works forever because they don't ever, it's not really a cache. They never get decached. It is inclusive. Thank you, Basilia, for saving my ass yet again. In the fb.dims.h array. It's, yeah, you'll get there eventually. Welcome in Eliphaz as well. I've seen your name. I know that name. Where do I know you, Eliphaz? Where do you lurk? Where do you chat? Where is your presence? Where do you make your presence known? It's exclusive to last argument. Well, this works then, actually. This is actually the correct thing. This is F32. Okay, well, we'll I don't know why I'm saving these as that, but, I mean, they can be that now. Clonkhead's not like this. I mean, I don't know how you would ever... I need to fix this, too. Why does this be like this? Why is my font size is so much bigger on this machine than my normal machine that these like pop-up boxes for documentation just like take up the entire fucking screen? Fuck those fish. Yeah. They're not biting today, bros. They're not biting today. Well, the issue is you gotta press A the second that the exclamation point appears over your head, Diamandus. Just pay attention to the exclamation point in real life. Bitrate? Yeah, I see. Every time someone uses that, I never know if they're trying to be funny. If they're trying to make a little funny little thing, or if like my bitrate is actually like collapsed into the abyss. Man, that's a great one. That's a wonderful emote. You have good ones. That's good ones. That's good ones. Can we cool it with the fucking sex, Connie Enjoyer? Can we cool it with the cum? Can we cool it with the cum talk? We're gonna pass on the cum today. I think we gotta avoid that. I think we're gonna dodge. We're gonna dodge. What's the I'm getting really into freelo. I'm getting really into the concept of freelo. Someone said that to me online, or like I heard that term somewhere. The concept like freelo, which is like the best thing ever, right? Like I don't know. I guess I
just heard this term.
I just had the I mean I don't play fucking League of Legends, dude. I don't play League of Legends. I don't know what elo is. In Dota, in the realm of civilized people, we have MMR. We have MMR. We have matchmaking rating. We don't have elo. So now I'm learning about freelo, and I'm like, that's such a great thing to say. You can't say freemer. You can't say free MMR, like, right? I'm probably saying half of the slurs in half of the Romance languages right now by accident. And like, I don't know, bros. It's not working out for me very well. But freelo is great. It's a great little concept. And I want to, MMR is in LOL as well. So what is, well, I'll keep being disappointed, I guess. Can we do this? Does this work? You fuck. You rat fuck.
You're insane.
No. Let's, oh god. Elo is just like your rank calculated by your MMR. So what is your MMR then? What points do you get at the end of the game? Do you get Elo points or do you get MMR points? Like what is the points? What is the system of points that you get? Because if there isn't freelo, if the concept of freelo is not coherent, I'm sorry, bro. Not even a nibble. Yeah. Miku, yeah. There already is a Miku palette. You're probably just well, anyway. My redeems have gotten so confusing and complex. I found a fish, Denpa fish identified. Oh dang, work meeting. Well, I'm sorry, freezeroll_. That sucks. That is unfortunate. Given the life is like a video game redeem. Oh, we gotta have that. Life is like a dragon. Okay, what do we call this? Life is like a dragon seems like the right thing. You get neither MMR or so there is some kind of impenetrable third system. What are League players? League players tolerate this? You tolerate this? You accept this? Who plays League in the chat? Who is League in the chat? Thank you for the follow, freedrill_2. Can I go to, can I create poll? Do you League? Yes. No. Do you League? Yeah. Post that you play League to get, I don't know, it's sort of, is League gonna be ironically cool now?
Oh, League of Legends. The epitome of a toxic gaming community.
Oh, they're toxic now?
I don't league.
They're into toxins?
Intact,
any leaguers?
But have fun getting flamed by a bunch of overzealous teenagers.
Yeah, so true, computer. I'm interested in the toxic. I say toxic. I call things toxic. Is that a thing people still do? Chad, user base, dude, your kernel is so darn cool. I appreciate that. I like my person. Hard judging people. Who's the one League player? Yeah, can you vote on this with money? Can you pay money to vote more on this? No, did I set that up? You're not even a gamer? Yeah, Udo, how much do you have to donate to your stream to make you play? Oh, like, no. One game of League is not enough. How much do you have to donate to make you grind? Like, what is the thing in League? Like, level 30 or whatever? You grind to level 30? Again, I've never played League. I've just heard other people bitch about League. You get to level 30, that's when you're, like, past the starting point. That's when you're, like, past the tutorial.
You can play ranked.
Right? That's when you can play ranked. Getting to the point where you can play one game of ranked, which is probably, like, 100 hours of League, right? How many dollars? Are we in the 6 figures range? If someone is like, yeah, I'll fund your stream, I'll pay 100K, but you have to play 200 hours of League. I mean, that's still a pretty good rate. That's like $500 an hour, but like, is it worth it? I mean, many are asking this, but I don't know if many are answering this. You do that? You do that for free? My roommate probably has spent 100K on FIFA.
Oh my god.
That makes me want to die. I'll do a month of work for 100k. Well, I mean, it would so Uwu-to-Owo, the thing to consider is that it would irreparably damage your nascent brand, right? You're a rising star, Uwu-to-Owo, and your brain. Yes, it would the damage that this would do to your rising star. Your star would be going, I don't know, it would be a red dwarf or something after this. Well, anyway, your idle dream would be corrupted, Uwu-to-Owo. You can blow up a car for like 10,000 and bring it all back, baby. Ooh, did you see that? Did you see that dude who like was doing a 72-hour trapped in a room challenge and he gave up after 25 hours and like the penalty was he had to total his car? Wasn't that was like a thing? That was a Twitch thing recently. We stay up on the Twitch drama around here. Every single second in LoL costs 1 brain cell. Yeah, it's I think it's about the same in Dota. I would play Dota. I tried playing it earlier this year, right? Like mid-stream. Welcome Pahibiant as well. How are you doing? I found Pahibiant recently. Is that how I say your name, Pahibiant? And they seem very, very cool and nice. So you should check out my new friends. We hit them with the new friend shoutouts. And also welcome in Gibble64. I need more jungle juice. We gotta get that jungle juice going on. Dota's only fun with turbo mode. Yeah, so whenever I play Dota, I picked it up again. I played like maybe 10 games, and I noticed that whenever I stop playing, like normally when I play games, I get relaxed. It's after work. I'm kind of chilling a little bit. I'm feeling good about myself. I'm gaming. Like my hands would be shaking after playing games of Dota. I would be so stressed. I would be stressed out of my mind. I think that game is a recipe to like, I don't know, early heart attack. And I imagine League is the same. Yeah. League needs turbo mode probably.
He's so cute. What is it?
Who is he? Can you do it again, Gibble64? Again. Ghostbat _. Okay, I need goblin. Need goblin. Goblin need. Goblin love. Goblin. Yes, goblin, go. Okay, we get pixel. This needs to be x plus. It's the offset x plus x. Yes, there we go. We have him. He is gobbling. What are you doing? Oh, it's. I'm sick to my stomach whenever I realize the consequences of my actions, Clonkheads. This is. I've committed so many in the creation of this code base. I have committed so many sins. I have done such evil. Welcome in your boy Muggy as well. You might have been here, but if you were, I'm sorry I didn't notice you. But now I do.
So quick, guys. The swap.
The swap, yeah. Hit him with the swap.
to the meme. The meme.
Yeah. Mind goblins. Any mind. This is the way of coding on stream. Everything I write. I wrote this off stream though. I wrote 99% of anything I actually do is off stream. People just haven't realized this yet. It's all off stream, bros. It's so over. The stream is not even software dev. I've never devved once on. Oh no, we've devved maybe once or twice. We've maybe once or no Joel hair. Yeah, that's also a critical error. What are you fucking doing, Rust? How do you not know it's i32? The thing takes GLint, which is just an i32, right? And then we're adding this to an i32. Off-stream dev cock, yeah. Oof. Nothing exists. Yeah, I mean, someone tweeted, I think Save Him tweeted recently, just like, your stream is over. Time to go stare at my ceiling until the next stream starts. That's kind of true. It really is kind of true. This is like, definitely like, the focus of what I'm getting up to these days. This is definitely mostly what I'm getting up to these days, I would say. Okay, can we make... Where is this? Where is this? Where is this? We're making a pattern, right? We're making a new pattern. The width and height are both 64. How do we even set the fucking pattern? Where even is that? Where even do I do that? Fig.rs. You're either streaming or adding fart redeems. Yeah, I will never add a fart redeem. I'm sorry. LLLL Colonq is a beautiful cyberspace angel princess, and I will never exclamation point fart. I will never stoop to that. I will never stoop to that level and make my well, you know, you gotta I'm a man of integrity, Colonq. I'll never fall that far. Where is this? Colonq doesn't poop. Yeah, very true. Vipper gets you VIP. Yes, you become a Vipper. It's only expensive because no good reason. It's expensive because something had to be. And it's not even expensive. It's like an hour if you have the bot. Does everyone? Yeah, okay. Channel points users. You better have the bot. Streamers steal Druo's content. Am I missing Uwu to OO lore? I don't even know what Druo is. I was at the. No, I think I left this stream early to stream myself, maybe. I don't know. Or to watch Hina or something. I don't fucking know. I don't know anymore. 2.5, yeah. You can... We need more PvP for the VIPs, though. I'm sort of thinking... So some streamers... I watch... Do people know Grape Channel? Well, anyway, I watch Grape Channel sometimes. And Grape Channel VTEN has timeout PvP, which seems very cool. Like, you can just like time out other chatters, which is, I mean, I think that's exactly what we need. Where is this? So where do we set this? This is, I'm doing from image. I'm doing insert on p-tie. We're getting a p-tie kind of situation here. I studied software engineering. Documentation is important, but they're not doing their purpose. What is the context here? Do you have context advice for life? What are we doing here? Yeah, we're doing something fucked here. Yeah, this is as far as possible from software quote unquote engineering. We're in software. We're on software garbage duty. We're the software garbage man, I would say. It's something like that. Do we have hair palette? Is there a palette type for hair? Avatar palette type hair. We're getting hair. Oh, I said if it works, it works. Yeah, if it works, it certainly does work. Software demolition. Yeah, we're in the business of software deconstruction, software implosion. Do we have? Is this called toggle state here in this context, in this scope? And you need palette. You need avatar palette new. No, it's just palette. There's no new. It's just this. It's just this. Software annihilation. The purest, most soulful software. This is palette.
It's pickled.
Entry.
Pickled peepo.
Pattern. Pickle peepo. Yeah, I love that. So true. fb.dims.width. Thank you. We're gonna do yet another float conversion. Sure, we'll do it. Yeah, and then pixels, and we're gonna make pixels. We should do. Oh, this needs to be after the loop, by the way, because we're competent. We put that down here. We say let mute pixels vec new. I need to do my entire layout in my text editor as well. Can't imagine how you do this. It's inspired. Well, I appreciate. Well, I can imagine how I'm doing it, and the answer is not well. The answer is in a manner that is, well, we'll leave it at that. We'll leave it at that. We're leaving a lot of things at that today, I think. Are we dropping tables? Any tables dropped? Imagine using SQL. Do you want to know our database schema, ya boy Muggy? Do you want to know our database scheme? It's incredibly powerful. It's actually unfathomably powerful. There are even tables to be dropped. Well, here's the database. The database is this directory. And inside the directory, there is one file for every user who has ever done any kind of redeem that affects the database, which apparently is 166 users minus these special names. And the special names are just like, for books, palettes, and quotes. So you can kind of probably, I mean, you can just like, I mean, you can't fuck anything up, but if you make an alt named _ books _ your data will be in the books database. I think I managed to avoid getting in it until the music stream. Yeah, is Basilia spotted? Yes, Basilia has note 69. Yes. Oh, Basilia identified. tracked, logged. My database is called ext4. I've yet to meet a programmer who thinks their code is good. Yes, I definitely like. I'm not going to be like, haha. Well, like I know, you know it when you see it. Like I think I have written good code in the past. I think there is code that I'm proud of that I've made, but like this is definitely not it. This is not it. Let's say I prefer calling it squeal so that annoy as many database maintainers as possible. Very based. It's fine to just hack on things when you're the sole user. Yeah, well, I mean, it is fine, but it also is nice, right? It's nice to make things that are beautiful, right? I think that's a thing. Voices, yeah, we're getting that. Get that. Everything's a file, yeah. Well, I don't know. We're adding this mute pixel. So now we just need to make p. We gotta put p into pixels. So let's put p into pixels. Pixels. Bless you. I'm unwrapping this because we like to live a little dangerously. Pixels dot. Is there just push? Can we just push? Can we just push? Can we just push p? We're pushing p. I'm pushing p.
Your chat's more polite.
I'm not even polite. I'm not even blessing you. I'm sorry. Bless you. Swarm of weasels, welcome in. Home meowners. Hell yeah. Sorry, I'm missing things. Things are too fast. I'm also a Maildir user, Liquid Cake 1. It's very fun. It's a good little system. I use that. What is it? MB Sync or iSync, whatever the current good thing is. It used to be offline IMAP, but I don't know. I think I'm using MB Sync now. And Emacs, of course, to read the mails. Welcome, Vestux. You did commit true, but Vestux, how have you not? You've not been here. I could have sworn you've been here, Vestux. I've been committing VTuber crimes for it's been 9 months now. You know, I don't think you have. That was your first time, chat. You haven't been here. Can I call you? What am I calling? You're gonna be Vestux. You're gonna be Vestux. Well, sorry, I don't know. Vestox. What's a fucked up way we can say Vestox? I don't know why I'm doing this, even though I have no connection with Vestox. I've barely interacted with Vestox, but like the stocks, yeah. I assume everyone shortens your name to be something based off of vest, but is anyone considering the stocks angle? Okay, does this work? Can we fix it? I'm sorry, Pickle Pepe. We gotta restore this. I always greet you. You always do greet me, and I always greet you. But I mean, like, I certainly we don't have that kind of relationship yet, Vestux, for me to just be here trying to bully you based on your name. Barely I'm sorry, Vestux. I know I put my foot in my mouth, Vestux. I'm sorry. You'll have to forgive me. Please forgive me. Vesty the bestie. Yes. But yeah, I'm here. We're making this thing play video.
Flustered.
I'm flustered. Yeah, I'm embarrassed now. I'm embarrassed. We have to build up our kill, die. Kill. Who can we play? Who can we play our stream? Stream play who? Is Hen of Mimi live? I probably shouldn't just play people's streams who I don't actually know, who I'm just a viewer of, because that seems like that's maybe a rude thing. That's maybe a rude thing to just be like, haha. So we'll play Yuki again. The murder voices, the voices, insane cat. Yes. Mods, crush that code. Mods, get reset hard. Get reset hard. Who's live? Catania one weirdage. Yeah, we're gonna hopefully my hair will become Yuki VT now. Let us see if the hair becomes Yuki VT once this stops building. And we really need to connect this to something. Mods, crush his balls. Yeah. We say that so much. Yeah.
Like just.
Oh, excellent. Can I make this run in a manner that I can actually read it? What incantation do I need this time? Yeah, we'll do Kina's a good test because I'm sure there's like a lot of things moving on the screen. What are you saying? Cargo? Yeah, we're hauling cargo. Oh, do I gotta do NVIDIA offload? What method does the mods use to crush his balls? I'm not really a, I'm not really a CBT professional. I would say I'm more of an amateur. Uwu to OO kind of has a little more CBT experience than I do. Is that the unwrap that we said was gonna fuck us? Is that the one that we said was gonna fuck us? Holy chap. Oh, it's because it's the background color. That's why. If let some p equals, we'll be like this. F, yeah, we're getting fucked. CBT. Any CBT fans? We still need to do the Baldur's Gate stream where it's Colonq and Bald's torture. Like, I'm thinking about it. We're gonna stream Baldur's Gate 1. It's gonna be a Baldur's Gate 1 stream in ASCII, and it's gonna be Colonq and Bald's torture. And it's going to be at a time that is so inaccessible that literally no one is able to watch it worldwide. We're going to find the least ideal. You can't create a new Twitch account with underscores in the name. Wait, you can't? You can't use how do so many people have underscore? I mean, do you mean at the front of the name? I'm a CBT fan. I love cool bowling tricks. For those who love, oh, you got the biblicality down. You got it down. You got it. You know the gimmicks.
I also love cool bowling tricks.
Yeah, that's close though. 0.92 with an actual sentence is like, I mean, Basilia has the hookup with the real method, the method behind the madness. But yeah, streaming the original Baldur's Gate. How are you doing Swarm of Weasels? What are you fucking saying? We're not compiling now? We're not compiling now? Oh, because we're late on the draw here a little bit? Oh, because we're still unwrapping, that's why. Because I'm a buffoon. Because I'm a dunce. Because we're making dunce plays. So if you already have underscores in the name, it's fine. But new name... Oh, that's crazy then. Thank you for the follow, Mouse Hacks, too. I could have sworn you had already clicked the funny button, but I guess I was wrong. And I'm glad I was wrong, because now I get to say thank you. Now I get to be... What were you saying? Things are great. Yes. That's such BS. I'm trying to understand all the systems here. I'm invested. Well, I'm glad, Visual Sanity. Thank you, Albert Moore and VT. Welcome in, everybody. What were you doing, Albert Moore and VT? I love men as well. I'm a male enthusiast. I'm a man. I'm a kind of a man fan. Here we have the Yuki VT hair. You can hear it. Let me turn it down a little bit. I'll mute my audio. Can we shout out any shout outs to Albert Moore and VT? What are you doing, Albert Moore? We're talking about cock and ball torture. And we're building a little thing. You had no problem letting me use underscores. Interesting. I love. Is this? So this is. Well, let's show this off with an Albert Moore clip here. What were you doing today, Albert Moore and VT? What was on the menu? Did you say you're painting Warhammer minis? Excellent. So that sounds like a thing that is wow. I'm very glad. I love gaming. You know I'm a gamer, but I love also people doing things that are not gaming. And when people do things that are not gaming, I'm very excited about that. So please check out my friend Albert Moore and VT. They are getting up to some cool business. Colonq Army Rise Up, so true. Albert, what is the name of the Albert Moore? The Albert Moore Squadron. What is the Albert Moore Brigade? Like what's the anyway, what's the squad? Let's find an Albert Moore, a TV / Albert Moore VT. The Mourners. What's that? Currently too gay and tired. I feel that. It's gonna be a bad clip. Well, it doesn't matter, Albert Moore VT. Anything works. Oh, we have a Fusa moment. We can get... Does this work? Do we have Fusa moment? I don't want to spoil it. We can't spoil it. We cannot spoil it. Can I copy the thing? How do I copy the... You fuck. You rat. You rat, twitch.tv. Can I go back to here? Where's the Twitch link? Where is it? There we go. There we go. We're getting there. And let's see if this works. Let's see if it works. We're going to rebuild again because we like waiting. We love wasting time. There's nothing we like more than wasting time. I haven't made any account. I'm just looking for the green check mark to tell me if you can. I see. Anyone that got Goodbye Volcano High. Isn't that the one where they made like a porn game that came out like before the actual game? And then it totally, like they got scooped. In academic terms, they got scooped. Like where getting scooped is like where someone publishes your find before you publish. right? They got scooped hard, I think, by like multiple years. And it like totally ruined like the reputation of the game, I
I think
think.
it just came out today.
Oh,
I saw it on
oh, did it really? That's crazy.
like the actual.
You can un-VIP someone? Yeah, so here's... You can see. You can see Fuza rotating in the corner here.
Oh, shit.
And I'm walking. And my foot collides with just the edge of this.
Look at it. Look at it. It's beautiful. You can't really make out what's happening. There's some kind of gameplay here, though.
In a bit of pain.
There's gameplay happening here. We got a Fuza moment. A Fuza moment has occurred. All right, there we go. There we go. We got it. That's gaming. That's what I like to call gaming. 100% deserves scooping. Went to press like 5 years ahead of having their findings ready. Yeah. Yeah. Can it be that become each raid you steal the last clip? Yeah, that's kind of one idea that we are having. We are having an idea related to that. Who made the Tom and Jerry scream? I think that's Fuza. Fuza Karuna. I thought they were... Fun fact, when I first saw Fuza, before I watched Fuza, I thought Fuza's name was Fuzake Runa. So that's... If you want to call them something funny, you can call them that. Why are we... Visual Sanity had a good idea. Also, Pegasus T, welcome in. What did Visual Sanity say? You steal the last... We acknowledged that idea. We said that. We said that. We said that, Mod Colonq. I mean, you're gonna get your pay cut if you're... I mean, you're gonna lose your health insurance on the working for the LLLL broadcast if this keeps up. Fuza love, yeah, so true. I mean, hey, we gotta cut costs where we can. Sometimes you got to implement cost-cutting measures. Bodega 10 Hard Eye, hell yeah. Yeah, it comes from the Albert Morin VT stream on Twitch.tv. Mod Colonq about to join a union. Yes. We need to do that. That's one of the arcs. Okay, Colonq heads. You might notice. Okay, lore facts moment. Lore moment. You know, we're all about the lore here on this channel. We keep it lore friendly. Oh man, Forsen looks so bad with this. We gotta fix this before we do anything. But like, lore moment. Lore moment. We're not in season 2 yet. Thank you so much for the sub, Eudemoniac. I really appreciate it. If I hear Forsen, yeah, we have a Forsen redeem, Albert Morin VT. You can toggle Forsen. You can go from Forsen mode just and back and there. You can go there and back again. Thank you, Semper Sleep as well. Semper Fi. Hope you're doing well. Where is this? Where am I causing this to break? Where is the error? Where is the error of my ways? Am I still... Why am I typing BTFU? Where's Blit frame? Yeah, we need to comment this. This needs to go. This needs to be gone. You need to go. And you need to restart. When we're restoring, we will soon maybe have Forsen. I need to actually sub to Forsen for the bit. What?
Broken.
It's broken? It's gone. It's gone now.
The code was reacting.
The code was reacting?
It was in the live Colonq reaction.
Yeah. Oh. Something is occurring. Something is happening here. I don't quite know what it is.
You need to keep going.
I need to get... So one of the arcs that we need to have is the Mod Colonq unionization arc, the Mod Colonq collective bargaining arc, where all of the employees of LLLL collectively. So here's the Fuza. Why is the background still like that? Is it because we're GL clearing?
Can I transmute your pants into
I think
ashes?
we want to be
Kappa?
GL clearing though, right? Maybe we're not resetting the clear color. That seems like a thing. We're getting Fuza. So Fuza is only in the hair. It's still black in the background. I think what's happening is we're not. I think probably when we there's Fuza yelling. When we do this, when we say hey MPV, this is saying hey MPV render the thing to the FPO, when we do this, this sets a bunch of bullshit, and it probably changes the GL clear color in some way. So we need to do that. This is too insane for me. Welcome in the Unseen Mystic. Well, it's a little one of, so you know that game where it's like, yeah, the title is really long, where it's like, yeah, I heard you like those types of games. You know that thing? This is sort of like, yeah, I heard you like those types of streams. I mean, this is sort of like those types of streams, I would say. We're kind of in a those type moment. But anyway, welcome in. I hope you're doing well. I hope you had fun. I can see are you a fighting game enthusiast, the Unseen Mystic? I've been trying to become a fighting game enthusiast myself lately. I don't know. But I'm just a little too, I was playing a little bit of Guilty Gear. I was playing a little bit, practicing a little bit of Melee on Slippy. I see that versus badge next to your name, the Unseen Mystic. Versus badge spotted. Yes, we're sniffing them out, gang stalking. I have my team. They find information on people, and they talk it into my earpiece. The funny Guilty Gear man, excellent. I don't know, I'm terrible. I've been playing. All I know how to do is I know how to do like 2 combos on who's the hot Italian woman? Who's the Italian woman with the shoes, the sneakers? Giovanna. I know how to do a few combos. I can do some. That's all I can do. Yes, I only can do the hot Italian type movement. Mod Colonq, please use the laugh sound, please. You're being asked. Yes, chat. Yes. LLLL Colonq inside of Minecraft instead of Emacs, please. Yeah. Do you play Space War? Yeah, that game's fucking sick. I haven't played it, but I know it's sick. And so Mod Colonq can confirm, when I saw that game, when that game came out, I was like, God damn, I wish I had made this. Yeah. That's such an, that may be the most Colonq core video game, closely followed by Cruelty Squad. That is essential Colonq core. Let's Rimworld is so my favorite one. Hot Italian women encounter. Yeah, so speaking of the Minecraft thing, I do want to do like we could probably pretty easily do a stream where like my head moves Steve's head, and we just I stream with like Minecraft Steve as the avatar. That could be pretty funny. I'll have to commission one of the Minecraft skin maker legends to get me on. Oh, I also thought, so okay, another primo content idea. This one's an excruciating high effort edition. This one's oh god. Oh dear.
Oh wow.
Let's see if it does it. Is the computer smart enough? Is the computer smarter than an LLLL Colonq? It's thinking. It's thinking. Can I check the intermediate result? Oh, it did. I think it's struggling to say. It doesn't know how to say this.
Oh.
And it's
Ni Jing
Oh, it
Ren
is.
Yang
It's
Fu
working.
Tong Wa Hei Wo Jiao Tan. Jen Shi Ring Wo Ju Ten. Dui Yu Rust Bian Shang Yu Yan.
It's talking about NFTs. I have a really bad idea for a fucked up stream. Well, just DM it, Albert Moore VT. We're all about that. Why am I like this? Let's go. Let's fucking go. Can we make this a little quieter at least? Or is it funny if it's louder? His ass does not speak Mandarin. Yes. Allow me to drink. Yeah. The 500k, if you haven't noticed, what is it? It's the 1 million channel point stream is to... I need to stop stream and learn Mandarin. This is good. This is prime. Can you show the 3D model before the processing? If I make it big over here, does that work? Well, if I go here, does that... Why does this fucking... No, not you. My shit is so fucked.
Woji de Shishu Jada and Quan Lei Sheng, Bug Wo,
What is the buffer even called?
Wo Yi Bu De Bu
we go.
Sheng Ren.
Oh, it doesn't even render big. It's broken. I tried rendering this in full screen. Basically, my GPU is fucked. You can see it. It's fine. It's fine. It's acceptable, Cassie. it's funny. It works. It works. Thank you for helping me with my Chinese studies, Colonq. I need to get back to learning Chinese. Well, I'm glad to help. Happy to help. Always happy to help around here. Let's actually fix this. Yeah, it is. Where do we set the clear color? Probably somewhere where we think we never have to change it. Here.
Ni shi wo jie gi sen jing ji mo wu liao de shi jia de chuang zhao jie. Mao mao chang yu yang de bian sheng yu yan zai ni yan li ke nen yi yu mo zhang mei li.
Very good. Thank you. Thank you, computer.
My life is like a video game, trying hard to beat the stage. All while I am still collecting coins.
Yes. Let's you works on the it'll work the second time. It not only sometimes does it work on the second attempt, it always works on the second attempt. That's an LLLL Colonq promise. That's a promise from me to you. Okay, we're gonna fix our handling of the clear color. We're going to fix the clear color type situation. Oh, we already saved the background color. Wait. We don't need to do this, never mind. Never mind. The emote was used already. Oh, was it used already? Is that a 7 TV? That's a Mari Mari emote, isn't it? That should work. That should work. Oh, it's because we're doing none of the hairstyle changes are working right now. That's an LLLL Colonq promise that none of them are currently working. And they're not working because we're rendering the video to it without checking anything else. So I'm sorry, get owned, I guess. It's a feature. Yeah, it's not working because of a feature, basically. Can we... What are you fucking complaining about? What is your problem, dude? What is the issue? Method not found and not... Do you just want... What does this need to be? What do you need to be? Got own zoned, got it, yeah. It's kind of a cell phone for me to, well, I don't know. Artists shouldn't always give the audience what they want. I agree, Jazzahall BT. I deeply agree. Can we just cast everything? Can you just make everything the type that I want it to be, please? It's so much. It's harmonizing. It's harmonizing to produce greater, to reach greater heights. What are you fucking whining about, Russ? Today...
It's trying its best.
Well, no, it's not. It clearly isn't. It clearly is... Yeah, it's it's something's going on today. I think this is actually gonna be one of our more productive streams, amusingly. Right? Like, this stream might be the absolute peak of... Oh, someone cheered 100 bits. Thank you for cheering 100 bits, Visual Sanity. It doesn't actually do TTS when you cheer bits, because I'm a...
But you do get a stream.
You do get a character of my stream key, though. So that is maybe a little essential to the bits gifting experience. Let's continue. Let us continue. ADHD brain, yeah. Yeah. I don't think I'm actually an ADHD individual. I'm just having fun. This is what fun looks like. Kids these days just don't know how to have fun, I think. Your headset died? I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Okay, does this work? Okay, it works. It works. We don't have the background anymore and we have the outline again. The background color is correct. So now we only render... Can we see Fuza? Can we see Fuza over there? Is he there? Is he over there in the corner? No, I think it's offset a little bit. How long is a Twitch stream key? It's like 32 characters or something. I don't know. I think something like that. You're logging the chat, so once we get all the characters, it's over. Yeah. Well, they're not in order. Also, it's 30 It's 30 chars. Very good. Very good. We're gonna hear that so many times. I think this is offset, so it's not. Oh yeah, what's happening here is it's all fucked up. It's not. We're messing up the width and the height of the thing. I think. Yeah, something bad is happening. There's something bad happening. Chat. I think something really bad is happening. Something is gonna happen. I slammed my penis in the car door. You slammed your penis in the car door. Fuza Yao. Yeah. Embrace the ultimate job for Cole. Yo, so the thing I was thinking of, okay, content ideas.
Keep redeeming my laugh. I have to lie.
Oh gosh.
So you're gonna get...
why do I do this to myself? Why do I... Can we just go to docket.org? We'll put it in here. Slam my genus in the car door. Okay, content ideas. Content ideas. Mod Colonq strike.
I mean, that's happening.
Okay, that is... I mean, that's kind of unavoidable. Unavoidable. So the other thing is, this one's gonna be excruciating difficulty. Excruciating difficulty. Find Minecraft 0 day and do QSMP stream. Challenge quest. This is part of the master quest. This is kind of part of the master quest, I would say. So this is announcing that I'm doing that I'm joining the QSMP or whatever the current popular Minecraft SMP is, but it's actually, we just found a Minecraft 0 day to get around like the whitelisting feature, so we can just and we found their IP. So that's the that's actually peak stream content, I think. That this would actually be peak. This would be the best thing that anyone's ever done. Double their pay. Yes, we're gonna be tripling Mod Colonq's salary. I think we quintuple Mod Colonq's salary. What the fuck is QSMP? I think it's like, so okay. Nyx Crage, do you know anything about Dream? Do you know about Dream? I know about. Well,
I know.
We know about Dream. Do you have dreams? Where are we going? We're here. There is Brazilians in QSMP, so bless up. Do we?
Yeah,
hell,
there's lots of Spanish speakers.
That's they don't speak Spanish in Brazil. They don't speak Brazilian in Brazil either. They don't speak anything in Brazil.
Have you heard of
There's no. Have you heard of Hatsune Miku? You don't dreams. It's something you have at night. Yeah. Have you heard about the Dream Sus remix?
They do speak.
Dude, yeah. You're gonna lose your job. You're gonna be losing. They speak jujitsu in Brazil, right? And we Brazilians don't speak. They only act. Brazilians, everyone knows that Brazilians don't speak. They only act. Okay. Minecraft multiplayer server content creators, yeah, they do. It's like, it's a thing. So what it is, it's a generator for. So do people know about RPF? Have people ever heard of RPF? RPF is it's a concept it's going to be important to learn about pretty soon. It's part of this stream, actually. It's really important. It's called real person fiction. And what that means is you write fan fiction about real people. So it's kind of like you're a fan of a person, like they're a character, and that's cool. And the SMP ecosystem is a generation. It's a generator for RPF type content. So you go on, you watch people play Minecraft, and then you write RPFs about them kissing, and it's weird. Yeah. So it's kind of a that type situation. That's what it's all about. Does that clear it up? And one of the people involved is named Dream. And he's cool. All I know about this Brazil is this fucker called Geyser that has a ton of alts lives there. Yeah. Do we have any Brazilians in the chat?
I mean, I think Yes.
Other than the 5 that we know. Other than the 5 of them that we are aware of. It's kind of silly that RPF including VTubers makes implausible shit like time travel available to RP fix. Well, like lots of RPF stuff don't they have like powers and stuff? Like they have like I know a lot of the Minecraft stuff. It's like the real person, but they're in the Minecraft world with Minecraft rules. But it's maybe there's a Spanish-speaking Brazilian in the chat. Welcome in Bunzel channel. How are you doing, Bunzel? Are you Bunzel or Bunzel? What do I say? And do I pronounce the do we do a is this a Bunzel channel? Bunzel channel kind of situation? Yes.
Sorry, I forgot. Brazilians speak Portuguese.
This is ModClonq canceled. ModClonk's always worried that I'm gonna get canceled from the things that I say. Can you also pronounce the underscore? Okay, good. Bunzel underscore ch. Very good. Excellent. We're gonna keep it like that. I don't read them to not be contaminated, but I guess I imagine them more grounded. Yes. Unfortunately, that would not be the case, Chaotic Quixotic. Unfortunately, anything you can imagine has already occurred.
Because they didn't love me anymore, and I got hired by One Direction.
Yes, I mean that is definitely a thing. That's a real thing.
Sold to Harry Styles.
Yes. We in Brazil speak Brazilian Kraken magic. In my observation from the tags, RPF tends to involve K-pop bands and Mpreg. Yeah, I think there's a lot of that as well.
Yeah, a lot of K-pop.
I missed the Vibe Brazil moment. We will be coming to Brazil. We will be going on the LLLL World Tour. First and last destination, Brazil. That would be so fucking good.
Really funny.
That would be excellent. Announcing a... Okay, can we make this actually do now? Let's hook this up to something. Let's go over here. Let's go here. Let's actually do some work. Also, it's the Final Destination. They made a movie about it. They even made a film. Okay, we're gonna make this.
They even made a film. No further questions.
Yeah, the film is called Final Destination.
I know, but just the
that
you created that sentence.
The sentence was crafted in a sometimes you have to improvise. Okay. It's called improvisational humor. You might not get it. You might not get it. I'm gonna be dead. Nice, dude. Looking forward to it. Okay, we're changing videos now. We're copying and pasting code. Very good. Okay, instead of being from image, I think we want it to be other thing. So improv is what a bunch of pervert exhibitionists do to gaslight you into thinking they're funny. Yeah. So I think what we actually do here, Clonkheads. We have many Brazilians. You're the strongest must broken Brazil. Nice. Yeah, I never really got improv. To be honest, Jazzahole VT, Jazzhole, I tend to be... I'm of the... Chill. You gotta chill. You need to chill. Did you consider that? Have you considered that? Have you considered chilling? No? Or are you set? No, I'm sorry. I'm trying to be... I'm trying to be... You're ModClonq is very nervous. We should do a ModClonq is very nervous stream also at some point. I don't know. Maybe we get all kinds of like it can be like Fear Factor starring Joe. I mean, this is how Joe Rogan got his big break. And I'm all out here to emulate Joe Rogan, right? Like I'm only attempting to emulate Big Joe, as I call him. And I think laugh now. Yeah. I think if I'm gonna get my big break, I'm gonna have to start starring in Fear Factor. So we'll get a bunch of spiders and snakes and scorpions and stuff. And you like those? What do you fear? People. We'll get a bunch of humans. We'll get a bunch of people, and they'll just they'll make phone calls and stuff. They'll call you on the phone. They'll tell you there's a problem with your paperwork.
I have to go to the doctor.
Yeah, there's an issue with these forms. You're gonna have to make 20 phone. You're gonna have to drive to the notary office. And
just make me drive through New York City. I'll just crumble.
Yeah, you have to drive through Long Island. What is a human? Yes, there are no humans in this chat. This is a VTuber chat room. This is Chuba only situation. Let's go over to here. Like, where is toggle state implemented? Where is that? Toggle. Oh, we don't have ripgrep installed anymore for some reason. For some reason, we decided that was appropriate. Oh, it's in here. We need to... AI tubers gang. Yeah, there's a lot of good AI tubers out there. We got some good. When I die, I should just kill a big percentage. Yeah, well, I mean, I expect you all to welcome in Rust compiler. Also, we won't finish that sentence. Yeah. How are we doing Rust compiler? We're currently being, well, we're talking with Rust compiler at the moment. We're writing horrible Rust code. Write it in Jai. We could, if we wanted to, ask for Jai access. That could be a thing. We're gonna do a great thing where we just add a Boolean flag for whether a video is playing. What is the short version of your name? Just L works. LCO, LC, LL. People have called. There's like many different things people be calling me. LCQ is very common. People say that. I think Grimmy says LLQ, which is funny because she was saying colon and then was like, I'm sorry, I'm calling you colon, and I was like, okay, just call me whatever you want, and she settled on LLQ. LCO, LCQ, or LLQ, I guess, are the common shortenings here. My favorite killer song is All These Things I Have Done because the Southland Tales scene is Kino. Upload Jai to torrent already, come on. Yeah, can we get piracy? Any Jai pirates in the chat? Colonq. Hina calls me colon. What does she even say? She just kind of yells. She mostly just yells whenever she has to say my name. Like she says like LeClonq or something. They stream. Yes, it's a LLLL is the uwu name. Yeah, we have many names around here. Why do we have all these comments lying around? This code is so bad, bros. What am I even doing? What am I doing with myself, with my life? So when we reset the avatar, we want to probably set something. We want to set... We just reset the toggle state here. When we set the word that we don't need to do anything, when we set the color... That's interesting. What's interesting? What is of interest? What is happening? LLLL? Yeah. Oh, yeah, it only shows one of each emo in the message because that's... I don't know if there's a good reason why I did that. I don't think there really is. Okay, did I not put a video playback here? Yeah, we did. Okay, that should set that to false. LLLL, it's a feature. Yeah. Le command or le bash. Yeah, we're more about the lisp. Okay, we'll set this to true. We're truing. Yeah. And then we don't need to do this. We don't need to do this. Oh, this should not be a bool. This should not be a bool. This should be an option with a string. We need a slightly enhanced bool. We need a slightly enhanced bool. Where is video playback? This needs to be option string, sure. I wonder how Colonq does stream in Nix. I'm just using OBS, not Geyser. Well, I mean, it's Nix with I assume you mean Nix, the NIX Nix thing. We're yeah, just OBS. This is pretty bog standard streamer setup, I think. List Q. Call you List Q. I mean, it works. Enlin, I think, calls me semicolon, which works. Now you're a crab. We're going crab mode. Welcome in, Small Sweetie. If I hadn't said hi, I'm sorry. The chat's been we've been schmoovin', so I haven't been as attentive as I normally would be. We've been grooving here. It's a U8. How do we? Why did I decode the path? Why shouldn't that be a gross? We need to do string from UTF-8. Yeah, that's what we gotta do. From UTF-8 dot unwrap. Sure. Decode this. Yeah. How are you doing a bipolar carp 123? ABC 123. Oh, Nix, I see. You means well, he also, well, yeah. I understand. I understand both the thing, I understand both the jokes now. I hope. I hope. Okay. Why are we doing this if PTY? Well, let's just not take a palette type. Let's just make it so it's only hairstyle for this one, gamers. Or no, we'll be good. We'll be good. We'll make it a pair. Fuck. Fuck you. Consciousness will soon escape me, I'm sure of it. Well, I hope you stay awake for as long as you need to stay awake. And then you fall asleep. Yeah. I hope those things for you. Thou. Hope those things for thou. Let's... Okay, we have video playback, so now we're saving this here, and then we're just going to, over here, wherever we set the... we do the render. Where's the render? It's here, right? It's this whole little bitch. PTY... what was the other thing? The actual URL? How are you on this day? I'm doing well. I'm having a really good time, to be honest with you. If we're being honest, these are my favorite. I love streaming. I love streaming so much, bros. Actually, I have so much fun whenever we stream. It's the best. It's the best part of every single week. It's really wonderful. So yeah. I don't know. You sound ironic. You hate us. Well, I'd never Prater Zero. Welcome in, by the way. No, for real. I'm a big fan of the Colonq heads. I'm a big fan of streaming's a fun thing, right? Did not expect at all. We have the full hair essay here. Excellent. I'm a goober. Yeah, I'm kind of a goober type moment. How are we going to track this? Well, I guess we just add another flag that tracks whether we already started the thing. A carp. Oh yeah, I always forget your name is actually Carp, but I just know in your head you're just person with pink name ABC 123 a bipolar carp 123, and I never really internalized your name when I say it. That's I feel like I recognize name colors more than anything, right? Like yeah. Is Emacs running in a terminal emulator that can show images? Is that, well, no, Emacs is not in a terminal. I'm running GUI Emacs. And GUI Emacs can show images natively. And that is how they work. And Emacs is also my window manager, which is how the model works. You're among the few that says the acronym. I see. Quick, let's all switch our names to the same color. That would be very confusing. You can do a command to open the ModClonq laugh gates. Yes, that would be good. We should. ModClonq's going to be gone again on Friday. We're going to be, and ModClonq, we're going to have another. I guess that is the ModClonq strike. Maybe that's the bit that I have to come up with. Test. Like somebody spend a lot of points. Yeah. Let's start with this. Let's start with this to actually do the rendering. Sure. And why are you complaining? Oh, we need to actually set this to something. Yeah, sure. state.lock.wrap.video playback. Sure. You're charged up. A carp with both a north and a south pole. Yeah. Let's a bunch of my regulars have red names and it gets confusing. Yeah, here we have I get purple. We have a lot of purple names and a lot of green names. I find those are the common colors here. We have very few. No one is a fan of the gray name. I rarely see other gray name enthusiasts in other chats. If you want a unique name coloration, you gotta hit up the gray name. Usually my aesthetic here is I would have done either like a black name or white name, because I'm usually like very all my branding shit is just like squares, right? Like black squares on white. But I mean, you can't. I mean, people use both light and dark mode, so it's kind of tricky. Dota MMR and biblicality, yeah, that would be perfect. You have branding. Welcome in Fartingle. Well, to an extent, right? To the degree that there is such. I am uploading images that are entirely black as banners for things, and you know, we get her done. Okay, this is GTY. Why did I call this? Cannot find. Oh, we need to be an iflet. We need to be an iflet gamer. We need to clone you. You need to be cloned. What are you complaining about? Palette type is not clone. How do I derive a thing? It's this iflet. We're going iflet. We're going iflet mode. So this is an avatar.rs. Palettes type. That needs to be clone. That's got to be clone. What if you convert all the characters of a chat message to a base 10 number and sum them so you have a number to all messages? We could do that. That would be very easy, actually. I mean, we just take the character code of every number and sum them up and do something with that. I don't know. It's kind of fun to have the actually checking something like that's like, so the Bible thing is nice because you can meaningfully play with it, right? Like it's like, I feel like when you get too well, you're just summing things, or like it becomes like a proxy for randomness. We kind of did a little bit of that during the piano stream last Friday, but like I think you really want like something that's like, well, someone can like meaningfully like change their message and like see the result in like a kind of predictable way. League of Legends meter, yeah, that would be good. I wonder if there's a database of like public League or Dota chat logs, and we can do like some kind of similarity test between chat messages and like the typical message that's sent in a League game, and then we can rate it based on that. That sounds really funny. That seems like maybe a winning play. Can we clone now? Are we now capable of that? Okay, we can. Excellent. The logs of Dota and LoL will be taken down for hate crimes. Yeah, that's I mean, that's probably the issue there, right? It's a little too spicy on those platforms for anything to be on stream. But I don't know. We could probably just like ask ChatGPT to like rank the League of like worst comes to worst, you just ask the AI to like, okay, give me a number between 0 and 1 based on how League of Legends is this chat message, right? Okay. My desktop audio is too high. Let's reduce a little bit at least. A tiny bit. Okay, so now we know to only render video if we like actively asked to play back a video. Let's do something else then. What do we do? I think what we do is Let's add another thing to the toggle state. This is so fucked. This is becoming such a mess, but like, it doesn't matter. Video is playing. Cool. Wow. We're gonna keep it clean here, gamers. We're gonna keep it real clean with this one. So we're just gonna track. Okay, did we actually start playing this video? Oh, this needs to be false. And we also need to reset it. We need it here because we need to be able to reset it when Massey code is code that's been loved. Yeah, we need to reset it here. Is playing equals false, because if we change to an image or a color, we need to be like, okay, we haven't started the next video yet. Thank you for the lurk, Exodrifter. Speaking of messy code, I'd love to see a review. Yeah, didn't that leak? Was that a thing? It leaked? Isn't like, it's on source 1, right? Which is like based off of like Quake or something. Response to the comments would be hilarious. Yeah, be fun. Welcome in 40s Gamer. Hope you're doing well. We are, well, we're making my like ASCII model thing here play videos using libmpv. It got leaked and there's a lot of very funny comments. Yeah, I can imagine. I'm sure it is well loved. Let's see. When did you last clean your keyboard? Well, it's just very clicky. My keyboard is probably fucking, it's actually fucking filthy. My whole desk is fucking filthy because it's just dusty. I need to dust. I need to dust. Gotta get all of the dust off of all of my stuff. Gotta get some canned air. League of Legends Tribunal. Oh, there's a Kaggle database. Ooh. Clean your room streamer. Any edge buggers? Dust 2. Yeah. Dust 2. Well, Dust. Just DE Dust. Dust 1 is my test map for Artingle and like my engine project. So I've spent a whole lot of time just jumping around DE Dust. Good night, my fellow computer dudes. Good night, you demoniac. Hope you have a good sleep. I hope you rest well. Let's, okay, so in the update loop, we want to move this and we want to check. Okay, where is that if let? It's down here. We want to check this again. This time we just want the URL. Just want the URL. And then we also want to check if everyone writes their own game engines. There's just nothing sufficiently generic, I guess. Well, I mean, it's kind of the natural temptation, right? Like, I don't even care about generic. I just care about, so if I don't know how to do something, right? If I'm like, okay, I want to make this and I don't know how to do it, I would rather learn how to do it myself than learn how to do it. Like, it's almost the same effort to learn how to do it, I feel, for me at least, right? Like, learning how to make Unity do like collisions the right way. Like, maybe it's easy for like some common case, but if I want to like dig into it or tweak something nuanced, it's gonna be almost as much effort to like untangle whatever they have as it is to just like learn how it works, right? Like, so that's I guess my motivation. Can you also give me other thing? This is horrible. If it's not playing, play it, and then say it is playing. Please. Okay. Oh, we want to play the URL. We want to play specifically URL as string. Learning SQL versus making a key value table and a funny query language to go with it, and other shenanigans, which I didn't mention. Yeah. I just like doing it myself. I don't know. I like making bad versions of things that already exist, right? I would rather do that. It just feels like a more productive, like, because ultimately, right, like, obviously if you're doing something and like it's kind of for keepsies, right? If it's mission critical, right? If it has to succeed, right? There's there's some incentive to use the battle tested option. But here where it, you know, it doesn't really matter. I just want to have fun and I want to learn things. Okay, let's see if this actually works then. Did we do everything we need to? Yeah. I mean, that's how it be. That's how it be. Do things the dumbest way possible. Well, I don't even know about that. It's just like the way that's going to like be interesting, right? And that's not always like right now I'm not rolling things from scratch, right? I'm certainly not writing my own video decoding here. I'm just like, yeah, get MPV in there and like let it do the job. But like, I don't know, I might someday. We might someday, and this is like, I'm sure this would all be much easier in Unity, but like we're just vibing. We're vibing. Okay, can we now do that though? Like, where is fig model.el? Where do we have model palette image here? Yeah, we do. Can we build something like this? Model palette video to an image at URL. URL. Video list type code URL. Sure. Boilerplate. Yeah. So now if we say you just fork Bevy. Yeah, but like, yeah, Bevy's fucking huge, right? Is the issue, right? Like, and like, so let's see, right? Like if I go here, let's hop into Bevy. Maybe not doing things the dumbest ways, maybe doing, yeah, just like, well, I don't know, just the way that I want to. I'm just gonna do what I want. And like, if I go in here, and we run nix packages, it's okay. Gotta make your own streaming software. ECSTM, yes. Like, this is like fucking, like, 150,000 lines of Rust, right? Like, and like, I'm sure this is not even the whole, like, I'm sure there's like other repos, right? I don't know if there even are actually. Maybe it is just the core thing. There's like RFCs and shit, but like, it's, I don't want to, like, if I'm gonna, like, I guess that's not even that much, but like, I would rather, like, I'd rather just like, I'd rather learn it myself, right? Like, because there's inevitably I'm going to be like, well, I don't understand this, and I kind of understand it, but I don't really understand the reason why they did it. But if I like bash my head against it myself, I'm going to be like, well, maybe I'll at least have a better understanding of the trade-offs that went into the other thing. And then like, I feel like I'm not ready, right? That's the better way to say, right? Like, yeah, that stuff will save time for sure. Like, I'm willing to, like, again, I'm using OpenGL, right? Like, I'm using SDL instead of trying to like do the boring shit, right? But like, I don't know. I feel like I'm not at a level where I am ready to use game engines yet. Like, I don't think I have a good enough, like, I don't feel like, if I don't understand like the trade-offs behind it, I don't feel like I'm ready to use it, basically. I don't know. Like, I don't think I'm ready to like evaluate the decisions that they've made in a well put together way. Thank you for the boost, Jen, dude. Welcome in. We're currently doing this. Let's see if this actually works. Palette video. Let's do hair. Do we have a good video? Can we go to YouTube? Yeah. We're actually getting Mr. Beast. Why is my extension not working? Why is my extension broken? Is it still loading? Where is my shit? Is this really what YouTube is? Rickroll. I don't know the link. What's he stealing, Colonq? Because we're stealing content, Jolene, Simp number 4. Welcome. Today is content theft today. Okay, will it work? Did we freeze? Model froze. Model froze. Door stuck. Okay, that's good. Very good.
Hell yeah.
Ooh, what's that one all about?
Oh yeah, you got taken down because you're wrong.
We're robbing, yeah. Bagged and tagged.
Well, chat is working.
Let's okay, let's go over here. Why does that occur? Okay, I guess we just, okay, what we do is we turn off the ASCII rendering so I can actually run it in a manner. I don't have logging. I should probably make logging. That seems actually like a really useful thing to do. I have no way to get any kind of diagnostic information because I'm just piping standard error to dev null instead of to a file. I should probably put it in a file. Can I just do that? Can we just do that? No, I'm not even. I'm just... Ugh. I hate this. Colonq heads, I hate this. What a mistake. You know what? It's time for a piss break. We all need to stand up and stretch and also use the bathroom and do stuff. Okay, we're gonna go to BRB. Let's click this. I'll be back in... Oh, this is the wrong screen. This is starting soon. We gotta go to the other one. We gotta go to the other one. Okay, yeah, I'll BRB. I'll be back in 30 seconds. Okay, bye. Okay, we're back. We've returned. Let's go. Let's return here. Let's push buttons. Yes, the famous catchphrase. Fluids out and fluids in. Yeah. Okay, bye. Shit's happening. I'm so tired of peeing. I drink the water and then I have to remove the water and I have to drink it again. Yeah. Many are saying this. Many have said this. Okay, we've turned off the... Let's just run this. Let's just run this. Let's just run this. Let's do it. And let's see what it says. So now we can wait. We can launch this, and we can see the log, and we can see what it says when we send the bad message. We can send the bad message, and we can see what happens. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. What about drink the pee and piss water? Yeah, I mean, if you drink enough piss, you can just piss water. That's a hot tip. Okay, does this say anything? Welcome in Scala Zeal too. Yeah, Russ. 1 second. Why does this not? Literally nothing happens. Oh, I wonder if it's crashing in the ASCII rendering. That might make sense. That might be a sensible thing. Let's uncomment that. Kill this. Return here. Run this. So Scala Zeal, what we're working on is we have this. You'll see it in one moment. You'll see it very soon. LLLL waifu pillow when asking for a friend. Well, it'd be funny to do some kind of merchandise. I think merchandise would be very good. We'll get there eventually. Let's... Okay, where are we going? We're compiling. We're waiting. We're compiling. Are you a Rust enthusiast, Scala Zeal? I like Rust a little bit, at least. We're kind of amateur hour Rust over here, but we get it done. So I have this VTuber thing. Hello, hi, it's me. It tracks my head, and we have features for it, right? You can replace text, you can replace colors, you can say things like I don't know, like change the hair to this Twitch emote, and it changes things to whatever emote. And I recently integrated this thing with libmpv, so we're making it play video as well. And we're trying to debug why the video does not play currently. Your 2-hour Rust VTuber coder. Okay, well, I'm clicking the follow button. Thank you. That's enough said. Basically enough said, I would say, on that one. So so cool. It's nice to meet you in any case. I hope you hope you're having a nice day. Let's okay, what is breaking here? What is breaking here, Clonkheads? What something is breaking. I'm unsure what though. Probably oh, we're nice, very nice. I never look at the thing. I don't see the thing, so I never know what is the number, but I'm glad it's the funny number. We should make it so it's only the funny numbers. Like it should either be 69 or it should be, what are other funny, I guess any primes are good. Pabcac, welcome in GNU Step as well. Problem exists between keyboard and chair. Yes, it certainly does. The problem exists directly between the keyboard and the chair. It's called my desk. My desk is not ideal for this type of work. It's I don't know. It's a big old slab. 420. God, yeah. Big old slab. How are you doing, GNU Step? Have I seen you here before? Have I seen you? Do I know you? No, I don't. But I know you have the GNU in your name, so I know you're probably an Emacs fan. So you're in the right place. We are Emacs fans here as well. Oh, I should chill. I should advertise myself. We have a place. We have a Discord, and we also have an IRC if you are a not Discord fan, and we can you're the leader of the New Step project. Hell yeah, actually. That's actually crazy cool. Do you stream development on here? I'm very excited about that. Newstep.org is not resolving on well, either way. I'm excited. I like GNU. I have donated to the Free Software Foundation. I have used Geeks in the past. I'm on Nix now, but I don't know. It's cool stuff. It's cool stuff. So yeah, I don't know. Well, either way, I'm glad you could make it. We're kind of well, the idea today is we're doing the Great Content Heist. We're doing a bit of a content heist today. We're going to steal other Twitch content, and the idea here is we're integrating. You can see my kind of model here. We need the www, of course. Gotta hit him with the www. Well, that doesn't connect. Maybe my DNS is just fucked. Maybe this is another problem exists between keyboard and chair type beat. I am running my own DNS. It is, well, I don't know. Anyway. It's because I have HTTPS everywhere. Probably it's trying to HTTPSify. That is the worst case. There we go. Yes, we're good. This is the next step thing, right? I saw this. There was some discussion of wasn't there a release recently? New Step, was there was some kind of news, right? Coco. There was I saw something on Hacker News about this. I have never used this, I have to confess, right? I have not explored this domain, and obviously, and I'm a little too young. We're not a museum project. Okay. I don't even know what any of these things are, right? All of these things significantly predate me, right? My vintage is well, my computer use probably started in around 2007 or so. So I'm far from acquainted with well, anyway. Let's it seems interesting though. I don't know. I've kind of abandoned the world of GUI tools, so I have no conception of anything at this point. I'm just like, well, I just live in EXWM and I have my Firefox with no user Chrome, and then I just I just kind of live in that little area. I was 2 years old. Well, don't taunt me. Or I'm still young in the context of the broader. I can still be considered a young person in the context of the broader programming community. Not Kaiser. Don't taunt me that I'm getting old, that I'm an old man now. Welcome Lago Mofu as well. How are you doing? Well, how is this breaking? What is the failure here? Okay, we should really just make this log. You're pretty old yourself. Yeah. I mean, we have all, I think we did a poll here in the past, right? We really have all, like we have a significant, so I sort of, on Twitch, you always sort of suspect, right? Like I'm like, oh, if I'm on Twitch, I kind of suspect it to be mostly, especially with like the VTuber stuff, to be mostly like 20 somethings, right? Like teenagers and 20 somethings, basically. I'm definitely in that range, right? And then we have quite a lot of people who are like 40 plus, which is like kind of wild to me that they will watch my my incoherent ramblings here for hours at a time. But it is appreciated. I mean, I'm glad there are people across all age brackets. I'm 7 years old. Don't even joke about that, Cellophane, because you're gonna get Twitch. You can get banned on Twitch for that shit. You can get banned on Twitch for that shit. I don't even joking. People don't understand jokes. You're 53. Well, that is more than, well, that is almost, well, pretty much exactly double my age, New Step. So that is we have quite a gap. That is greater than 3. You're 4. It is greater than 3. Yes. Where am I? I'm not. I got banned once for joking around about it. Yeah, don't do it. They take it pretty seriously. Can we just... Well... Maybe we drop it like this. Maybe we just hit it this style. What is the syntax to actually redirect standard error, right? Like, can I just do... like this? Can I do this? Is it just like this? Maybe. Something like that. Let's see if that works. Let's see if that works. Does not look like it worked. Does not look like it worked at all. What is broken? What is broken? I guess we'll just do this, because I run this often enough, right? We'll just pop this over here. We'll simplify. We'll simplify. Thank you for the follow, Hernon, as well. I'm in fact a 3-month-old infant with an amazing knack for computers. That would be impressive. Bless you. I'm sorry you're coughing. Okay, if we just do that. Okay, clearly we did something wrong here. Run redirect standard error modconf. You're writing a VTuber tool that displays your avatar. What are you adding? So you might have noticed the avatar is like an ASCII art kind of thing. New Step. And we have a feature, thank you for the follow, by the way. We have a feature where you can, that's not it. We have a feature where you can replace colors, right? You can change the colors. It's undefined in POSIX shell, sure. POSIX shell redirects standard error. We have a feature where you can replace colors, or like replace the background colors with like a Twitch emote in a tiling pattern or something like this, or change the letters that make up the thing, etc. Right? So I linked with, I kind of figured out how to link with libmpv, and the okay, this should work. I don't know why this is messed up. So we can play video as well. So we can play like other live streams or YouTube videos, etc. as like as part of the model as ASCII. You'll see soon enough. Soon enough you will see. And we will well, I don't know. Why is this? I just don't know. I'm just not good enough at shell, I guess. Oh, maybe this. Why does this not work? Like, maybe it's because the compilation output. It's probably compiling and it outputs the. If we look at log.txt, maybe yeah, it is working. It's working. We're fine. We're fine. If we run launch.sh, yeah, that's what we want. I just was like, oh, why is this? Obviously, the output that the output that I'm expecting to see. I was like, oh, it should print something to standard output immediately, so we'll know. But it doesn't, because this is like also recompiling the thing because we have something improperly configured. Yeah, there's a GitHub. There's not very much on there right now. There's like a bunch of eLisp and like Emacs configuration stuff, because that's mostly what we've done. The chat is in Emacs. Like I'm like living in Emacs mostly, so like there's a lot of Emacs stuff happening. Okay, here's this. The actual model rendering is also not on there, because I need to disentangle that repo from things that might have my real name. Okay, so now we can test this again. And we have, if we go to log.txt, we should hopefully be able to see what happens here. Okay, so that freezes the model. We also get nothing. If I kill the thing to like flush or whatever. Very odd. Very odd. War Thunder had more classified documents leaked onto their forum again. They're really building a reputation for that now, aren't they? It's it feels pretty regular at this point. Why is this happening? Like, let's just make sure we can print like something to standard error. Let's see. Yeah, is this recent? Is this as of today, ya boy Muggy? If we go if we go up here, let's say, is there like a convenient little macro to just like, probably, is this ePrint? Is this, yeah, that does what we want, right? Starting video. DA7 Eurofighter Typhoon. I see. That sounds scary and yeah, that sounds like a lot. That sounds like a lot. I hope everything's okay. Okay, let's just make sure like we're reaching this. Something is playing. Something is going on. Ugh. The current issue we're encountering is that when we send this message to begin playing a video, the animation on the model freezes, which I think is probably the renderer thread crashing due to us being extremely liberal with our usage of unwrap in this horrible little code base. But I'm not quite entirely sure. Why is my mouse gone? Where is my mouse? Oh, did it just disconnect from... One moment. Need to restart my... What is happening? Why can I not move my... Well, maybe we'll be on the funny mouse from this point on. Does my keyboard work? No, it doesn't. So I'm using a software KVM switch to... Let's try that one more time. Should like restart the thing and reconnect it. Okay, it's running. Is the server running? Let me go to my other machine where it's like the actual hardware is plugged in. Barrier. Stop. Let's start again. Okay, now it works. Now it works perfectly. We had to turn it off and turn it back on. The software kernel virtual was, yeah. It's well, names, right? Okay, we're back. We're so back. We're so fucking back. Let's see. If I go to log.txt, we revert this. We built this thing. If I run this, the render daemon beginning exercise before it finishes. Well, there's no, well, it's just a thread on this process, right? Nothing weird is gonna happen, I think. Okay, it's crashing for then. This freeze again? Should have, right? Yeah, it did. It did. Let's just try printing something early to make sure we're actually like logging the right things and we can actually see output. That seems useful. Let's just print something like here. Starting model render. We'll try that. We'll try that. We'll get there. Have you tried RKVM? I've heard it fixes some issues with Barrier. Yeah, I think I saw that Barrier was like there. That's like a fork, right? I think I saw that and I didn't use it because it wasn't in Nix packages and I was lazy. I probably should. If it's a fork, I guess it's probably easy enough to like just use the same, mostly use the same Nix stuff and just change whatever is getting downloaded. Okay, you're you. I revert this buffer. We should see starting. Okay, we do. Excellent. Wonderful. I just don't know why we're not like, why it's just like freezing with no output though. Like that's very strange. It's kind of bizarre. Oh, maybe it's just hanging. Like maybe something is just running forever. Like that's very possible. I wonder what that would be though. Or there's like or there could be like deadlock somewhere. I am being pretty fast and loose with these mutexes, but like I think like the patterns that I'm accessing them with should not create deadlock. These things are miserable to debug, but we're gonna try. We're certainly going to try. Let's see here. We again are being punished for the sins of our forefathers. A very common experience on this stream to be horribly punished for the mistakes that we made a few months prior when we just were like, oh, we'll throw this together. It won't be too bad. It's always so bad. It's always so fucking bad. Okay. We'll persevere though. We'll power through. The men in our house have let their children down. Yes, so true.
A classic.
One of the classics, yes. Okay, so let's just start here. Let's print this. Requested play view. And we'll copy this because we hate. We love repeating ourselves, I guess. Okay, what is this complaining about? Oh, because it's consuming the thing. Okay. 2 can play at that game. 2 can play at that game, Rust. I don't care. I just want to see the thing. Yes. Good. Very good. Now rerun. Restart. I probably should just be, well, I don't know. Who knows? I was like, I should just be tailing that file, but like, yeah, and it probably doesn't matter that much. It probably doesn't matter that much. It's gonna get reset every time anyway. Oh. This is, I mean, this is kind of, we can update our docket either way. This is kind of the delicate work that this heist demands, right? Let's see. We've done our planning. We're kind of in the midst of our preparation of material and material. Okay, in log.txt, let's revert the buffer, sure. Let's go to IELM. Let's rerun this. Let's revert this buffer too. Okay, we get to requested play. Yeah, this is not rendering shit. This is not, he is not rendering shit. Let's, I mean, we could just log every time we just log every frame. We could log like the frame counter and then see if that stops. Test with a local file first. Yeah, that might be a better idea. In case there's like some kind of network shenanigans. Sure. Let's see. Let us see. Source Colonq brand nice boat. This is the nice boat video from the Japanese, that when it's like the school days thing, right, where they just showed the video of the boat. So that should be ideal. That's ideal.